Shocks and struts are often misunderstood by customers as parts that only affect how smooth the vehicle feels over bumps. As technicians, we know better. These components are critical to overall vehicle safety and performance. They control more than just comfort. They influence braking effectiveness, tire life, steering, and even advanced driver assistance systems. Worn or degraded ride control components can increase stopping distances, cause irregular tire wear, reduce vehicle stability, and compromise the calibration of forward-facing cameras and radar systems that rely on predictable ride height and vehicle behavior. But this deterioration is typically gradual, making it harder for drivers to recognize the loss in performance until it becomes a safety concern. That's where we as technicians step in, not as a salesperson, but as a trusted advisor. Our role is to educate the customer, back our recommendations with data and inspection results, and help them make informed decisions that protect their investment and their safety. Selling ride control isn't about pushing parts. It's about restoring proper vehicle dynamics, ensuring vehicle systems perform as designed, and delivering a better, safer driving experience. This edition of Around the Wheel is brought to you by Monroe. Shocks and struts are hydraulic dampers designed to control the motion of suspension. Their core job is to manage spring oscillation, limit body movement, and maintain consistent tire contact with the road. This directly affects traction, braking performance, and steering stability. When ride control components degrade, it doesn't just impact how the vehicle feels. It compromises how it performs under real-world driving conditions. To effectively communicate these issues to customers, it usually helps to translate technical symptoms into everyday language that they're going to understand, while anchoring the explanation and real performance concerns, like nosediving during braking. This indicates increased front-end compression due to weak front shocks or struts, which directly translates into longer stopping distances. Then you have floaty or drifty ride. This feeling of instability, especially at highway speeds, is usually caused by a reduced damping force and inconsistent tire-to-road contact, which impacts handling and ABS performance. And then lastly, bouncing after hitting a bump. Continued oscillation after a road impact points to dampers that are no longer properly controlling spring movement, affecting both comfort and suspension control. What makes ride control issues tricky is that the degradation happens slowly. Unlike brakes or tires, which offer more obvious wear cues, shocks and struts may still look fine even when they've lost 40 to 50% of their effectiveness. Each mile driven can average 1,750 stabilizing actions, and these actions generate heat, and heat degrades oil. Most manufacturers recommend inspection or even replacement around that 50,000 mile mark, even without visible fluid leaks, especially if the vehicle shows symptoms or sees demanding driving conditions. When we help customers understand what's really happening and what it means for their safety and the vehicle's performance, they're more likely to approve needed services with confidence. A thorough inspection is the backbone of selling ride control services with integrity. Since shocks and struts don't always show obvious external signs of wear, especially in their early to mid stages of degradation, it's crucial to combine a visual inspection, a thorough test drive, and when possible, digital documentation. And don't be afraid to bring up that conversation with your customer. Remember, ride control degrades slowly, and for the person who drives the vehicle day in and day out, that gradual onset is often unnoticeable. During a visual inspection, which really should be performed anytime a vehicle is up in the air, techs should look for a couple of things. First, oil seepage or fluid trails along the body of the shock or strut. Light misting, well, this is considered normal, but leaks that extend down the housing indicate internal seal failure. Then there's damage or dry rotted mounts, bushings, or boots, which affect noise and component alignment. Uneven tire wear, cupping, or feathering, often a sign of inconsistent road contact due to poor dampening or, depending on suspension type, camber and toe change due to a degradation of ride height. And lastly, there's corrosion or impact damage to the housing itself, especially for those of us in northern climates where they use a lot of salt and sand, or for those who run their vehicles in heavy off-road environments. Digital inspection technology can really help document obvious signs of concern. There's that old adage, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and this rings very true when it comes to sharing inspection findings with your customer. Remember, the goal of the dampener is to control that spring oscillation, and that excessive movement brought on by worn ride control has far-reaching effects. Things like ball joints, inner and outer tie rod ends, pads and rotors, and even the motor and transaction mounts can experience accelerated wear from all that extra movement. Educating our customers to these facts and helping them understand and see the whole picture will only help you sell the job. After the visual inspection, if you're able, take the vehicle on a test drive. Now, often the vehicle may not be in your care for a ride control complaint, but rather another issue or service. So even if the vehicle has not yet hit your bay, but rather you've gone straight from grabbing the ticket out to a test drive, pay attention to how the vehicle drives and responds to your inputs. You know, most of the time we as technicians have that favorite test drive route mapped out. Just make sure it allows for a variety of road conditions, places to stop and accelerate, where you can really get a good feel for conditions like excessive body movement during cornering, acceleration, and braking. Also, listen for clunks or knocks during suspension travel, which may indicate worn upper mounts or bushing issues. Remember, as a technician, you have the benefit of experience. Chances are you have driven dozens, if not hundreds, of Explorers, Accords, CX-9s, and so many other makes and models. You know how these vehicles drive, so trust your senses and lean into that experience to tell you when something doesn't feel right. Once you've gathered all your documentation, it's time to make your recommendations to the customer, keeping in mind important factors like vehicle age and its primary usage. It goes without saying that shocks and struts need to at least be replaced in pairs. They need to be matched side to side. But there are many benefits to replacing those front and rears at the same time, doing a four-corner job, especially when there's ADAS considerations involved. And even more importantly, when the vehicle is equipped with struts on all four corners. Remember, those springs control ride height and they settle over time. And while ADAS-equipped vehicles need calibration anytime ride height is changed, returning that vehicle to stock height on all four corners, as well as returning compression and rebound characteristics to the ride control components as they were designed from the factory, will help continue peak effectiveness of those ADAS systems. And when it comes to choosing quality ride control components, one option is a brand that is still engineered in Southeast Michigan and has been an industry leader for over a century, and that's Monroe. OE Spectrum and Restore Shocks by Monroe deliver advanced ride performance and control tailored to meet specific demands of today's passenger vehicles. The OE Spectrum line features Monroe's latest valving technology, including Twin Technology Active Control System, which enhances handling precision and comfort by adjusting to road conditions in real time, ideal for drivers seeking an OE-level driving experience. Now, Restore, that helps return the vehicle's original ride and handling characteristics, improving steering response and braking effectiveness, as well as tire wear. Featuring premium technologies like a banded piston, which helps reduce friction between the piston and pressure tube to enhance responsiveness to changing road surfaces for smooth operation. Restore is a great solution for the customer that wants to recondition that aging vehicle's ride to what it was when it was new. Both options offer a perfect balance of performance and comfort, making them excellent choices for technicians and customers focused on restoring like-new vehicle dynamics with dependable, long-lasting components. Monroe Quick-Strut assemblies offer a complete, ready-to-install solution for fast, efficient strut replacement with no need for extra spring compression. Each Quick-Strut features pre-assembled components including a premium Monroe strut, vehicle-specific coil spring, bearing plate, and all necessary mounting hardware, engineered to meet or exceed OE specifications. Designed to restore factory ride height and original steering and handling performance, Quick-Strut assemblies help reduce installation time significantly compared to traditional strut replacement. With rigorous testing for durability and performance, they provide technicians and customers with a safe, reliable, and convenient suspension repair solution backed by Monroe's reputation for quality. Ultimately, ride control service is a critical component of comprehensive vehicle maintenance. By conducting thorough inspections, documenting findings, and selecting the right replacement products for the application, technicians can directly influence vehicle safety, handling precision, and system integration, especially with modern ADAS-equipped platforms. Monroe OE Spectrum, Restore, and Quick-Strut solutions are engineered to restore factory ride characteristics, maintain correct ride height, and support proper sensor alignment, helping ensure that all dynamic systems function as originally designed. When we approach ride control not just as a comfort issue, but as a performance and safety imperative, we reinforce our role as trusted professionals committed to delivering complete, high-quality repairs. Until next time, I'm Erik Screeden with Endeavor Business Media, and as always, thanks for watching.